Hi guys, good afternoon. Meron na naman tayong titignan na bahay. Loki lang natin ngayon. So tara, samahan nyo ako. Welcome to Perfect House, your partner in finding your dream homes and building one. So tara, samahan nyo akong silipin natin tong bahay kung gaano kaganda. So this is the car garage. You can make also a side parking aside from the garage. Ang gate hindi ganun kataasan kasi safe at secured yung area. May 4 square meter porch siya. It has also a gate going at the back. Fence surrounded na rin siya. So tara, silipin natin sa loob.
Wow!
So pagpasok ko, na-amaze ako sa loob. Yung owner mahilig din pala sa kahoy. So hindi lang to basta kahoy, hardwood ito. Nara. So as you can see yung dimension ng mga nara, yung sa flooring, malalapad. Bihira ka na lang makakita ng ganyan ngayon. And nara is expensive wood. So ito yung pinaka master bedroom saka yung toilet and bath niya. May bathtub na rin siya. So napakaliwalas tignan kasi napakaluwag ng master bedroom. So yan yung dressing room niya. Meron na rin siyang linen room sa kabila naman. May sarili siyang window for viewing. At ito yung linen room. Ito yung view from the room. So if we go upstairs, all are made of nara. Pati yung steps, all nara. At yung sizes, malalapad pa ha. Habang tumatagal ang ganitong mga kahoy, nagmamahal po ang presyo niyan. Stairs are surrounded with stainless fence. You can make a coffee lounge there. Here we have 2 rooms. Tara, let's go inside. With windows na rin for viewing and fresh air. With its own toilet and bath na rin ito. With a whole body mirror frame with nara also. This is the second room with window na rin for viewing and a whole body mirror. With toilet and bath na rin siya. So dito sa taas may altar siya, pwedeng gawing prayer area. So yun din yung view sa taas. Napakaganda talaga ng view dito. Nagulat talaga ako sa flooring niya, oversized lahat. Yung roofing din niya malinis pa rin, maganda pa siya. So let's go down na, punta tayo dun sa basement naman. So ayan, tingnan mo, puro nara. Malalapad pa ang dimension ng plank. So we go down sa basement, ayan, spiral yung hagdan. Made of nara din, so ayan, may toilet and bath. So maluwag din sa area. Pwede dito maging entertainment area or a movie room. Or kasi may bar siya, may bar counter, so may bilyaran. So pwedeng entertainment area ito. Then meron siyang veranda sa labas. So pwedeng gawing outside dining area ito once a week for family. Meron din siyang open area for landscaping or garden. Yan. So ayan naman, punta tayo sa side. Meron siyang access na hagdan paakyat sa taas papunta dun sa dirty kitchen. So yan, surrounded ng fence yung bahay. So ito naman yung laundry area saka dirty kitchen. Ito naman yung inner kitchen. For more details, please message us. This is a 350 square meter lot and 500 square meter floor area. So that's it. Thank you and good day.